Want to earn cash back every time you spend with Apple Card? The feature is called Daily Cash, and the good news is it's automatically activated when you use your Apple Card. To make sure you're getting the full benefits, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap your Apple Card. Then tap the More button. Head into the Rewards and Offers or Daily Cash section to check your settings and see special options. Here's how it works. Use Apple Card with Apple Pay and you'll earn 2% back at Apple stores, Apple services, or with select partners. When paying with Apple Pay, you'll earn 3% back. If you use the physical titanium card or a virtual number without Apple Pay, you'll get 1% back. Your daily cash is deposited automatically once a purchase is fully processed, usually within a day or two. So there's nothing extra you need to do. You can choose where to send your daily cash, either to your Apple Cash account to use like cash, or to your Apple Card savings account to earn interest. If you haven't set either up, your daily cash will temporarily accumulate and you can request it as a statement credit. To sum it up, using Apple Card with Apple Pay gets you the best cash back, and your rewards are effortless, always on, always being deposited. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, comment, and if you have any questions, just drop them down below. I'll come back with a video.